Hi y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I never say that, maybe I should say that. But today I'm going to be walking you through my personal zero waste, low waste shower routine and maybe give you some ideas of how you can reduce the plastic in your shower routine if that's something you're into. So I usually take lukewarm showers, like room temperature showers, although the one in this video that I'm showing you is quite cold because I was afraid it was gonna fog up my lens. It didn't, fortunately. I also take pretty quick showers so I can save water however I can, and I start with shampoo. I've switched to a shampoo bar, and honestly, I will probably never go back to buying liquid shampoo in plastic. The one I use is from a company called Just Soap, and I can link them below. Their website is pretty dated, but I just got them from my local grocery store. That's just the brand that they had, and it's only like $3 a bar, which is so cheap because it lasts literally months. Like I have to only buy 2, maybe 3 bars a year. Granted, I don't wash my hair every day. Another bar though that I do like that I've seen more often in grocery stores is the J.R. Liggett's one, which I can link below as well, and I think that one's only about $6 or $7. But I just take the bar, lather it up in my hands, and then massage the suds all over my scalp. There was definitely an adjustment period of a couple of weeks where my scalp was really greasy. It was not used to the solid shampoo, but now it's totally used to it. I will also say that different hair types obviously need different types of shampoo. That goes with any kind of shampoo. So I'll link a bunch below for different hair types that I've heard work well for people. And also like the water quality, and if you have hard or soft water makes a difference. So yeah, it's a lot of trial and error. But I thought for the longest time that the shampoo bar just wasn't for me, and now my hair is used to it, which is great. There are liquid shampoo refill options, which I will also link below, so if the bar is truly not for you, no worries, there are other ways of doing it. Next is a conditioner bar, which I don't remember where mine is from. Honestly, don't use it super often. I could take it or leave it. My hair just doesn't really need it. Well, that's not true, it does. I'm just lazy. But again, when I do decide to use it, like I know I probably should, I lather it up in my hands again until I feel like a sort of serum on my fingers, and then I massage that into just the ends of my hair. I'm not particularly in love with the product. Again, there's not like a specific brand I would recommend. I haven't used enough to really know. If you do know that your hair needs a conditioner bar, then I will link a couple below that other people have recommended to me. And then sometimes I shave when I feel like it. And I use my safety razor, which I do absolutely love. When I do shave, it's a beautiful thing. So I'll just take whatever bar soap I can find, lather it up, rub it wherever I'm gonna shave, and just use my safety razor like I would use my plastic razors in the past. The first couple times I used it, I was a bit intimidated, so that's super normal because it looks intense. But yeah, go slow for the first couple tries, but then honestly, it's just like using a plastic razor. And then lastly, I wash my face in the shower. This is just an old Dove bar that I got at my parents' house. It's nothing fancy at all. It did come in a plastic package, so once it runs out, I'm not about to just throw it away. Once it runs out, I will switch to a cleanser, either in a bar form or something packaged in glass. And that's it. Yeah, I'll just throw a bunch of links in the description box, so feel free to scroll through those. So hopefully there's resources for everybody. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.